how to grow a small account. If you have a small trading account, this course is for you. Option trading for small account. This is a strategy that works for all market conditions. It is a time decay strategy. There's room for error, and we can exit the trade fast. The market that I'll be using is SPY, and I'll be using this market to do my live trade. You can do this strategy on the stock, but you just have to be aware of the risk that you are taking when you are doing it on a stock rather than an ETF. And I'll explain this in the course. The strategy, we'll be buying a in the money farm option, and we'll be selling a in the money, at the money, or out of money near month option. I'll be explaining how we select our farm option, and I'll be explaining how do we choose which option to sell for our near month option. And the advantage is we'll be earning time decay for this strategy. There's wide room for error, and I do not have to hold the trade till expiration. This strategy is suitable for uptrend, downtrend, or sideways trend. And this strategy is suitable regardless of IV level. Not many strategy, especially if we are earning time decay, it is suitable when the IV is low. But this strategy will be suitable even when the IV is low. And if the IV is high, the strategy will still work. And this is one of the strategy I've been doing all year round. And the benefit for this strategy is minimum monitoring of the market. No or minimum chart reading. No predicting of the market is required. Losses will be small and manageable, fast in and out within days. I do not hold the trade till expiration. And that is the focus of this course. You want to put in a trade and get out in 10 or 15 days and repeat the strategy. And this is how you grow a small account into a bigger account. Is this strategy scalable? Is this strategy suitable for large account? Yes, the strategy is scalable. SPY is a highly liquid market. The strategy will work just fine for a larger account. If you have a large account, just increase your size. But I'd like you to stay with me and watch my live trade so that you can have an idea of how this trade will work. This strategy will never be outdated. Once you master the skill, the strategy will be yours. It will never get outdated. And this strategy will never expire. And the strategy can even pass down to your grandson and it will still work. I will see you on the live trade. Enroll now in the course and I'll see you on the inside.